Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram Yo Antah Pravishya Mama Vacham Imam Prasuptam Sanjeevayatyakila Shakti Dharasvadhamna अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यम् राम नाम वरानने आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदा लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम् पूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलम् मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगम् जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये चरितं रघुनाथस्य शतकोटिप्रविस्तरम् एकैकमक्षरं पुंसां महापातकनाशनम्. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Valmiki Ramayana session. We are in Balakanda still doing Ashtadasha Sarga, of which first 11 verses we have seen about 2 weeks ago. We'll begin from number 12 directly today. Volunteers, please raise your hands. Lataji. कौसल्या शुशुभे तेन
कौसल्या शुशुभे तेन
पुत्रेणामित
तेजसा
यथा वरेण देवानाम् अदितिर्वज्रपाणिना कौसल्या शुशुभे तेन पुत्रेणामित तेजसा यथा वरेण देवानाम् अदितिर्वज्रपाणिना. You can read the meaning, Sajidji.
Kaushalya shone brightly with that sun, possessed of immense glory, even as Aditi, the mother of gods, with Indra, the wielder of a thunderbolt, the foremost of gods.
Kaushalya शुशुभे तेन पुत्रेणामित तेजसा यथा वरेण देवानाम् अदितिर्वज्रपाणिना भरतो नाम कैकेय्याम् जज्ञे सत्यपराक्रमः साक्षात् विष्णोश्चतुर्भागः सर्वैः समुदितो गुणैः
सर्वैः समुदितो गुणैः भरतो नाम कैकेय्यां जज्ञे सत्यपराक्रमः साक्षाद् विष्णुश्चतुर्भागः सर्वैः समुदितो गुणैः.
Next, through the womb of Kaikeyi, the youngest wife of King Dasharatha, was born Bharata, possessed of true valor, who actually represented a quarter of Lord Vishnu and was adorned with all divine virtues.
भरतो नाम कैकेय्यां जज्ञे सत्यपराक्रमः साक्षात् विष्णोश्चतुर्भागः सर्वैः समुदितो गुणैः अथ लक्ष्मणशत्रुघ्नौ
अथ लक्ष्मणः शत्रुघ्नौ
सुमित्रा जनयत् सुतौ
सुमित्रा जनयत् सुतौ
वीरौ सर्वास्त्रकुशलौ
वीरौ सर्वास्त्रकुशलौ
विष्णोरर्धसमन्वितौ
विष्णोरर्धसमन्वितौ अथ लक्ष्मणः शत्रुघ्नौ सुमित्रा जनयत् सुतौ वीरौ सर्वास्त्रकुशलौ विष्णोरर्धसमन्वितौ.
Sumitra, the second wife of King Dasharatha, then gave birth to two twin sons, Lakshmana and Shatrughna, both valiant and skilled in the use of all kinds of missiles, and jointly representing a portion 1/6 of Lord Vishnu.
अथ लक्ष्मणशत्रुघ्नौ सुमित्रा जनयत् सुतौ वीरौ सर्वास्त्रकुशलौ विष्णोरर्धसमन्वितौ पुष्ये जातस्तु भरतः
पुष्ये जातस्तु भरतः
मीनलग्ने प्रसन्नधीः
मीनलग्ने प्रसन्नधीः
सार्पे जातौ तु सौमित्री
सार्पे जातौ तु सौमित्. Is it Saumitri or Saumitrin?
सौमित्री
Okay. Sarpe jatau tu Saumitri.
कुलीरेभ्युदिते रवौ
लीरेभ्युदिते रवौ पुष्ये जातस्तु भरतः मीनलग्ने प्रसन्नधीः सार्पे जातौ तु सौमित्री कुलीरेभ्युदिते रवौ.
Bharata, of cheerful mind, was born when the constellation Pushya was in the ascendant, and the sun had entered the zodiacal sign of Pisces, while the twin sons of Sumitra were born when the constellation Ashlesha was in the ascendant, and the sun had reached the meridian touching the zodiacal sign of Karka, Cancer.
Want to get my notebooks of the class to refer the notes in between. Means over here at this. But one definition I have marked underlined in this word for Bharataha. Bharataha means Rajyasya Bhara Vahanat. Like that Swamiji had said, Rajyasya Bhara Vahanat means the one who carries out the administration of the kingdom. Bharataha, Rajyasya Bharavahana. So one small note is there. If you all allow me, I'll just get up from my seat and get the notebooks. If something is there, through it. Just give me a few minutes. पुष्ये जातस्तु भरतः मीनलग्ने प्रसन्नधीः सार्पे जातौ. Did we say सर्पे first? सार्पे जातौ तु सौमित्री कुलीरेऽभ्युदिते रवौ राज्ञः पुत्रा महात्मानः.
राज्ञः पुत्रा महात्मानः
चत्वारो जग्निरे पृथक्
चत्वारो जज्ञिरे पृथक्
गुणवन्तोऽनुरूपाश्च
गुणवन्तोऽनुरूपाश्च
रुच्या प्रोष्ठपदोपमाः.
रुच्या प्रोष्ठपदोपमाः राज्ञः
महाब्राह्मण
रुच्या प्रोष्ठपदोपमाः राज्ञः पुत्रा महात्मानः चत्वारो जज्ञिरे पृथक् गुणवन्तोऽनुरूपाश्च रुच्या प्रोष्ठपदोपमाः.
The four high-souled sons of the emperor were born separately, though identical in essence. Endowed with transcendental virtues, they all resembled one another and vied with the four stars comprising the constellations Purva, Bhadrapada, and Uttara Bhadrapada in splendor.
One definition of Bharata, which was said by Swamiji in Tulasi Ramayanam, is Vishwa Bharana Poshana Karana. That is also Bharata. Vishwa Bharana Poshana Karana. Rajnyah Putra Mahatmanah Chatvaro Jadnire Prithak Gunavanto Nurupascha Richa Proshthapadopamaha. He also had mentioned Bharata is the most misunderstood character in Ramayana. Nobody understood him until that prasanga comes where he's come from his maternal place and he finds out what the mess has happened and his reaction and his insistence and his scolding to his mother and he going over there to get Ramji back and he doesn't come and he sitting at the outskirts of the palace and not taking over the palace. Then only people's misunderstanding had reduced. So Bharatji's character is Swamiji had portrayed as like a supreme character. It's like we cannot fathom, and he was not understood throughout. Like when he was going to the forest to get Ramji when he came to know, and all people also followed him. So Lakshmanji, who seen from far, seeing the dust of cloud and all, they were like prepared, means he was prepared with the bow and arrow that now there is going to be because Bharatji has come to attack or something. So much, and he was completely opposite. And the Tyaga that Bharatji has done is like unparalleled. So this Bharatji is like, we have not understood, and Swamiji had brought out that character with such divinity, such magnanimous powers he had, and later only his Tyaga and all was visible. He felt that Ramji is God from beginning, and he should not share that shadow or overshadow. So he would overlook from distance and he would not be there because that much was his surrender in the mind. So people had thought that he's away from all the things because he doesn't want to participate. But it was the other way around. From far he was surrendering and not sharing the same frame with the Lord because his Dasa Bhava was so much and the serving Bhava was so much that he maintained that distance. But that had created, the impressions in the people. So it's a very, very tough character. We can't even imagine or we can't even put ourselves to be like that. So much is to learn from Bharatji's character Swamiji had brought up. If I get something from the notes in between, we will see that. Okay. Radhyah putra mahatmanah chattvaro jatnire prithak gunavanto nurupascha ritya proshthapadopamaha jaguh kalancha gandharvaha
Jaguh kalancha gandharvaha
Nandritushchapsaro ganaha
nanutushchapsaro ganaha
Devadundubhayo neduho
devadundubhayo neduhu
Pushpavrishtischa khatpatat
pushpavrishtischa khatpatat jaguh kalancha gandharvaha nanutushchapsaro ganaha devadundubhayo neduhu pushpavrishtischa khatpatat.
The Gandharvas sang melodiously, and bevies of Apsaras, celestial nymphs, danced. Nay, the kettle drums of the gods sounded of their own accord, and a shower of flowers dropped from the heavens.
Jaguh kalancha gandharvaha Nandritushchapsaro ganaha Devadundubhayo neduho Pushpavrishtischa khatpatat Utsavascha mahanasit. The ending.
Utsavascha mahanasit.
So in Gita class, we had asked, which is this Sandhi? I hope you all have done and able to identify. Ayodhya Yanjana Kulaha.
Ayodhyayanjana kulaha
Rathyascha Jana Sambadhaha.
Rathyascha jana Rathyascha jana sambadhaha.
Not Rathya, Rathya.
Rathya, yeah, Rathya.
Okay.
Rathyascha jana sambadhaha.
Rathyaschcha Jana Sambadhaha.
Rathyascha jana sambadhaha.
Natanartaka Sankulaha.
Natanartaka sankulaha utsavascha mahanasit yodhyayanjana kulaha rathyascha jana sambadhaha natanartaka sankulaha.
There was great rejoicing, marked with crowds of men in Ayodhya. Nay, the streets got crowded with actors and dancers and were marked with a great rush of men.
Utsavascha mahanasit ayodhyayanjana kulaha rathyascha jana sambadhaha natanartaka sankulaha gayanaischa viravinyaha
Gayanaischa viravinyaha
vadanaischa tatha paraihi
Vadanaischa tatha paraihi
Virejur vipulastatra
Virejur vipulastatra
Sarvaratna samanvitaha
Sarvaratna samanvitaha Gayanaischa viravinyaha Vadanaischa tatha paraihi Virejur vipulastatra Sarvaratna samanvitaha.
The extensive roads in Ayodhya, which were noisy with the sound of songsters and those who played on musical instruments, as well as with that of others, such as the chanters of the Vedas, minstrels, bards, and panegyrists, was strewn with all kinds of precious stones thrown by the people in order to signify their admiration for their songs, etc., presented a gala appearance.
Gayanaischa viravinyaha vadanaischa tatha paraihi virejur vipulastatra sarvaratna samanvitaha pradeyanscha dadau raja
Pradeyanscha dadau raja
Sutamagadhavandinam
Sutamagadhavandinam
Brahmanebhyo dadau vittam
ब्राह्मणेभ्यो ददौ वित्तम्
गोधनानि सहस्रशः
गोधनानि सहस्रशः प्रदेयांश्च ददौ राजा सूतमागधवन्दिताम् सूतमागध प्रदेयांश्च ददौ राजा सूतमागधवन्दिनाम् ब्राह्मणेभ्यो ददौ वित्तम् गोधनानि सहस्रशः.
The king bestowed presents worth giving on the ballad singers, bards, and panegyrists, and gave away riches and cows in thousands to brahmanas.
तदेयांश्च ददौ राजा सूतमागधवन्दिना ब्राह्मणेभ्यो ददौ वित्तम् गोधनानि सहस्रशः अतीत्यैकादशाहन्तु
अतीत्यैकादशाहं हन्तु
नाम कर्म तथा करोत्
नाम कर्म तथा करोत्
ज्येष्ठं रामं महात्मानं
ज्येष्ठं रामं महात्मानं
भरतं कैकेयीसुतं
भरतं कैकेयीसुतं
सौमित्रिं लक्ष्मणमिति
सौमित्रिं लक्ष्मणमिति
शत्रुघ्नमपरं तथा
शत्रुघ्नम् अपरं तथा
वसिष्ठः परमप्रीतः
वसिष्ठः परमप्रीतः
वसिष्ठः नामानि कुरुते तदा
नामानि कुरुते तदा अतीत्यैकादशाहन्तु नाम कर्म तथा करोत् ज्येष्ठं रामं महात्मानं भरतं कैकेयीसुतं सौमित्रिं लक्ष्मणमिति शत्रुघ्नम् अपरं तथा वसिष्ठं परमप्रीतः नामानि कुरु
not Vasishtham, Visarga, Vasishtha.
Oh yeah, Vasishtha Paramapritaha Namani Kurute Tada.
He further performed the naming ceremony with respect to his sons on completing 11 days after the birth of Lakshmana and Shatrughna, or 13 days after the advent of Sri Rama, which took place 2 days earlier. Supremely delighted, the sage Vasishtha, on behalf of the king, made the eldest an embodiment of the Supreme Spirit, known by the name of Rama, the son of Kaikeyi, by that of Bharata, the first son of Sumitra by that of Lakshmana, and the other by that of Shatrughna on that occasion.
अतीत्यैकादशाहन्तु नाम कर्म तथा करोत् ज्येष्ठं रामं महात्मानं भरतं कैकेयीसुतं सौमित्रिं लक्ष्मणमिति शत्रुघ्नमपरं तथा वसिष्ठः परमप्रीतः नामानि कुरुते तदा. For Lakshmanji, he said that he's avatar of Sheshanag. So he's a Adhar of Sakala Jagat. Lakshmanji is a support for the entire. And Lakshya of Lakshman, Lakshya is the aim or the intention of Lakshman is only Ram. That means to serve Ram without any complaints. Like that it is said. And also Swamiji mentioned Lakshmana is Prana of Ram moving outside. So that is something you will not get to read in the books. Prana of Ram moving outside is Lakshmana. That much Lakshmana is into Ramji. So another character which he has portrayed out so beautifully, and that character is also so tough, who has never slept for 14 years, just serving. But he's the Adhar, he's Sakala Jagata Adhara, Indra. prana of Ram moving out. So these were something very, what to say here, very heavy thoughts these are. Let's go ahead. Okay, we'll have Radha Krishna ji. Number 23. Brahmanan bhojayamasa.
Brahmanan bhojayamasa.
Bho, Mahaprana, not Bho. Paurajanapadanapi.
Paurajanapadanapi.
Adadad brahmanancha.
Adadat brahmananancha.
Ratnaukamalam bahu.
Ragnaukhamalam bahu. Brahmanan bhojayamasa. Paurajanapadanapi. Adadat brahmananancha. Ragnaukhamalam bahu.
The sage, on behalf of the emperor, fed the Brahmanas of the capital as well as of the entire kingdom of Kosala, and gave away to the said Brahmanas a large heap of shining jewels.
Brahmanan bhojayamasa. Paurajanapadanapi. Adadad brahmanancha. Ratnaukamalam bahu. Teshan janma kriyadini.
Teshan janma kriyadini.
Sarvakarmanyakarayat.
Sarvakarmanyakaraya.
Teshan keturivad jeshtha. Ivad jeshtha. Ivad je. One half je. Ivad jeshtha. One widthwise there. Teshan keturivad jeshtha.
Teshan kedurivajjeshtaha.
Ramo ratikarah pituhu.
Ramo ratikarah pituhu. Teshan janma kriyadini. Sarvakarmanyakaraya. Tesham kedurivajjeshtaha. Ramo ratikarah pituhu.
He further caused to be performed from time to time with respect to the four princes all purificatory rites commencing from the Jata Karma and ending with Upanayana or investiture with the sacred thread. The eldest of them, Sri Rama, proclaimed the greatness of his race like a flag and proved to be the delight of his father.
Teshan janma kriyadini sarvakarmanyakarayat. Teshan keturivad jeshtha. Ramo ratikarah pituhu. Babhuva bhuyo bhutanam.
Babhuva bhuyo bhudanam.
Swayam bhuriva sammataha.
Swayambhuriva sammataha.
Sarve veda vidashuraha.
Sarve veda vidashuraha.
Sarve lokahite rataha.
Sarve lokahite rataha. Babhuva bhuyo bhutanam. Swayambhuriva sammataha. Sarve veda vidashuraha. Sarve lokahite rataha.
Again, he was esteemed by all created beings as Brahma, the self-born. All the four princes turned out to be masters of the Vedas and great heroes, and all were intent upon doing good to the people.
Babhuva bhuyo bhutanam swayam bhuriva sammataha. Sarve veda vidashuraha. Sarve lokahite rataha. Sarve jnanopasampannaha.
Sarve jnanopasampannaha.
Sarve samudita gunaihi.
Sarve samudita gunaihi.
Teshamapi mahateja.
Teshamapi mahateja.
Ramas satya parākramaha.
रामः सत्यपराक्रमः सर्वे ज्ञानोपसम्पन्नाः सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः तेषामपि महातेजा रामः सत्यपराक्रमः
All were endowed with wisdom, and all were adorned with virtues. Sri Rama, however, was exceptionally glorious of them all, and possessed of true unfailing prowess.
सर्वे ज्ञानोपसम्पन्नाः सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः तेषामपि महातेजाः रामः सत्यपराक्रमः इष्टः
Is it Teja?
सर्वस्य sorry
No, just after. We didn't say. Is it Teja? Is there? There's a Visarga there.
I have a doubt
Mahatej.
over there, so I also said it with two minds. We'll keep it without visarga for a while. No visarga. Teshamapi Mahateja Ramah Satyaparakramaha Ishta Sarvasya Lokasya
इष्टः सर्वस्य लोकस्य
Shashanka Iva Nirmalaha
शशाङ्क इव निर्मलः
Gajaskandheshvaprushte cha
गजस्कन्देष्वपृष्ठे च
पृष्ठे खमः रथचर्यासु सम्मतः
रथचर्यासु सम्पतः इष्टः सर्वस्य लोकस्य शशाङ्क इव निर्मलः गजस्कन्देष्वपृष्ठे च रथचर्यासु सम्पतः
We are saying sampataha both the time. Sammataha.
सम्मतः गजस्कन्देष्वपृष्ठे च रथचर्यासु सम्मतः
Like the full moon in a clear sky, he was the beloved of all people and was esteemed in the art of riding on elephants and on horseback and in the various processes of driving a chariot.
Okay, so now we have got a big thing. Okay. Ishta sarvasya lokasya shashanka iva nirmalaha gajaskandheshva prushte cha rathacharyasu sammataha dhanurvede cha nirataha
धनुर्वेदे च निरतः
पितुःशुश्रूषणे रतः
विदुःशुश्रूषणे रतः
बाल्यात् प्रभृति सुस्निग्धः
बाल्यात् प्रभृतिः सुस्निग्धः
लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीवर्धनः
लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीवर्धनः
We'll
धनुर्वेदे
do
च
3 verses, then you do it together. Ramasya lokaramasya
रामस्य लोकरामस्य
भ्रातृर्ज्येष्ठस्य नित्यशः
भ्रातुर्ज्येष्ठस्य नित्यशः
सर्वप्रियकरस्तस्य
सर्वप्रियकरस्तस्य
रामस्यापि शरीरतः
रामस्यापि शरीरतः
लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीसम्पन्नः
लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीसम्पन्नः
बहिः प्राणैवापरः
बहिः प्राणैवापरः
This Bahiprana came. Lakshmana is Rama's Bahiprana. Over here it has come. Nachatena idina nidram
न च तेन विना निद्राम्
labhate purushottamah
लभते पुरुषोत्तमः धनुर्वेदे च निरतः पितुःशुश्रूषणो रतः बाल्यात् प्रभृति सुस्निग्धः लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीवर्धनः रामस्य लोकरामस्य भ्रातुर्ज्येष्ठस्य नित्यशः सर्वप्रियकरस्तस्य रामस्यापि शरीरतः लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीसम्पन्नः बहिः प्राण इवापरः न च तेन विना निद्रां लभते पुरुषोत्तमः
धनुर्वेदे च निरतः पितुः शुश्रूषणे रतः बाल्यात् प्रभृति सुस्निग्धः लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीवर्धनः रामस्य लोकरामस्य भ्रातुर्ज्येष्ठस्य नित्यशः सर्वप्रियकरस्तस्य रामस्यापि शरीरतः लक्ष्मणो लक्ष्मीसम्पन्नः बहिः प्राणैवापरः न च तेन विना निद्रां लभते पुरुषोत्तमः मृष्टमन्नमुपानीतः मृष्टमन्नमुपानीतम्
मृष्टमन्नमुपानीतम्
अश्नाति न हि तं विना
अस्नादि न हि तं विना
यदा हि हयमारूढः
यदा हि हयमारूढः
मृगयां याति राघवः
मृगयायादिराघवः
अथैनं पृष्ठतोऽभ्येति
अथैनं पृष्ठतोऽभ्येति
स धनुः परिपालयन्
सधनुः परिपालयन्
भरतस्यापि शत्रुघ्नः
भरतस्यापि शत्रुघ्नः
लक्ष्मणावरजो हि सः
लक्ष्मणावरजो हि सः
प्राणैः प्रियतरो नित्यम्
प्राणैः प्रियतरो नित्यम्
तस्य चासीत् तथा प्रियः
तस्य चासीत् तथा प्रियः
स चतुर्भिर्महाभागैः
स चतुर्भिर्महाभागैः
पुत्रैर्दशरथः प्रियैः
पुत्रैर्दशरथः प्रियैः मृष्टमन्नमुपानीतम् अश्नादिनाहितं विना यदा हि हयमारूढः मृगायैयाति राघवः अथैनं पृष्ठतोऽभ्येति सदनुः परिपालयन् भरतस्यापि शत्रुघ्नः लक्ष्मणावरजो हि सः प्राणैः प्रियतरो नित्यम् तस्य चासीत् तथा प्रियः स चतुर्भिर्महाभागैः पुत्रैर्दशरथः प्रियैः
पृष्टमन्नमुपानीतम् अश्नाति न हि तं विना यदा हि हयमारूढः मृगयां याति राघवः अथैनं पृष्ठतोऽभ्येति स धनुः परिपालयन् भरतस्यापि शत्रुघ्नः लक्ष्मणावरजो हि सः प्राणैः प्रियतरो नित्यम् तस्य चासीत् तथा प्रियः स चतुर्भिर्महाभागैः पुत्रैर्दशरथः प्रियैः बभूव परमप्रीतः
बभूव परमप्रीतः
देवैरिव पितामहः
देवैरिव पितामहः
ते यदा ज्ञानसम्पन्नाः
ते यदा ज्ञानसम्पन्नाः
सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः
सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः
धीमन्तः कीर्तिमन्तश्च
श्रीमन्तः कीर्तिमन्तश्च
दीर्घ सर्वज्ञा दीर्घदर्शिनः
सर्वज्ञा दीर्घदर्शिनः
तेषामेवं प्रभावाणाम्
तेषामेवं प्रभावाणाम्
सर्वेषां दीप्ततेजसाम्
सर्वेषां दीप्ततेजसाम्
तेषां दीप्त पिता दशरथो हृष्टः
पिता दशरथो हृष्टः
ब्रह्मालोकाधिपो यथा
ब्रह्मालोकाधिपो यथा
ते चापि मनुजव्याघ्राः
ते चाभिमनुजव्याघ्राः
वैदिकाध्ययने रताः
वैदिकाध्ययने रताः बभूव परमप्रीतः देवैरिव पितामहः ये ते यदा ज्ञानसम्पन्नाः सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः श्रीमन्तः कीर्तिमन्तश्च सर्वज्ञादीर्घदर्शिनः तेषामेवं प्रभावाणां सर्वेषां दीप्ततेजसां पिता दशरथो हृष्टः ब्रह्मालोकाधिपो यथा ते चाभिमनुजव्याघ्राः वैदिकाध्ययने रताः
बभूव परमप्रीतः देवैरिव पितामहः ते यदा ज्ञानसम्पन्नाः सर्वे समुदिता गुणैः धीमन्तः कीर्तिमन्तश्च सर्वज्ञा दीर्घदर्शिनः तेषामेवं प्रभावाणां सर्वेषां दीप्ततेजसाम् पिता दशरथो हृष्टः ब्रह्मालोकाधिपो यथा ते चापि मनुजव्याघ्राः वैदिकाध्ययने रताः पितृशुश्रूषणरताः
पितृशुश्रूषणरताः
धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठिताः
धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठिताः
अथ राजा दशरथः
अथ राजा दशरथः
तेषां दारक्रियां प्रति
तेषां दारक्रियां प्रति
चिन्तयामास धर्मात्मा
चिन्तयामास धर्मात्मा
सोपाध्यायः स बान्धवः
सोपाध्यायः स बान्धवः
तस्य चिन्तयमानस्य
तस्य चिन्तयमानस्य
मन्त्रिमध्ये महात्मनः
मन्त्रिमध्ये महात्मनः
अभ्यागच्छन् महातेजा
अभ्यागच्छन् महातेजा
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः
विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः
स राज्ञो दर्शनाकाङ्क्षी
स राज्ञो दर्शनाकाङ्क्षी
द्वाराध्यक्षानुवाचः
द्वाराध्यक्षानुवाचः
So this verse, when it says Vishwamitra's arrival is happening, so Swamiji said this is the turning point in Balakanda. So you all can mark it, like turning point in Balakanda, like that you can. You can go ahead, 37.
पितृशुश्रूषणरताः धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठिताः अथ राजा दशरथः तेषां दारक्रियां अथ राजा दशरथः तेषां दारक्रियां प्रति चिन्तयामास धर्मात्मा सोपाध्याय सबान्धवः सोपाध्याय सबान्धवः तस्य चिन्तयमानस्य मन्त्रिमध्ये महात्मनः अभ्यागच्छन् महातेजा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः Sarajño darshanakanksi dwaradyakshanuvachaha.
He took delight,
No,
sorry.
I'll read that because it is all together. Pitrushushruषणरताः धनुर्वेदे च निष्ठिताः अथ राजा दशरथः तेषां दारक्रियां प्रति चिन्तयामास धर्मात्मा सोपाध्यायः स बान्धवः तस्य चिन्तयमानस्य मन्त्रिमध्ये महात्मनः अभ्यागच्छन् महातेजा विश्वामित्रो महामुनिः सराज्ञो दर्शनाकाङ्क्षी द्वाराध्यक्षानुवाचः.
He took delight in the science of archery and was devoted to the service of his father. Lakshmana, the promoter of fortune of those who sought his protection, was ever deeply attached from his very infancy to his eldest brother, Sri Rama, the delight of the world. He gratified the latter in every way. Lakshmana, who was rich in splendor, was a second life, as it were, to Sri Rama, moving outside his body. Without him, Sri Rama, the foremost of men, did not have even a wink of sleep, nor did he partake of a dainty dish brought for him without Lakshmana. Whenever Sri Rama, the celebrated scion of Raghu, went out hunting, mounted on horseback, Lakshmana forthwith followed at his heels, armed with a bow and arrows, and guarding him on all sides. Shatrughna, the younger brother of Lakshmana, was dearer to Bharata even than the latter's own life, and Bharata likewise was ever dear to Shatrughna. The said King Dasharatha felt supremely delighted with his 4 highly blessed and beloved sons as Brahma, the progenitor of the entire creation, with the gods Indra, Varuna, Yama, and Kubera presiding over the 4 quarters. When they got enriched with wisdom, they were all adorned with virtues. Nay, they were modest, glorious, all-knowing, and far-sighted. King Dasharatha, the father of them all, who were possessed of such unique glory and luminous splendor, felt rejoiced as Brahma, the ruler of the universe. Those tigers among men, too, were attached to their Vedic studies, nay, devoted to the service of their parents, and were well versed in the science of archery. Now, when their studies neared completion, King Dasharatha, whose mind was given to piety, deliberated with his family priests, the sages Vashishta and Vamadeva, and relations such as King Romapada, about the prince's marriage. Even while that high-souled monarch was deliberating on the subject in the midst of his counselors, the great sage Vishwamitra, who was possessed of unique glory, arrived at the palace of King Dasharatha. Seeking an audience with the king, he addressed the gatekeepers as follows.
Saritaji. शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तम्. You can unmute Lalita ji, please.
Yes. Can you repeat, ma'am?
Yeah. शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तम्.
Shigram?
We are at number 40.
Okay. Yeah. It is Shigramakyatamam Praptam. Yes.
Yeah. So what we should do before class, we should at least go back to that YouTube video and see where we are in the last class.
Yes.
Get oriented in the book. Where is our position? What are we reading? And then we are not completely lost like this. We should have our orientation before class. Some small homework should be there. Now he read all the meaning. It was soon after that. Because, it's suddenly coming. So that will always keep you disoriented. Some small things. So we should know. And generally before class, I will tell where are we starting from. So again, that was not listened. just little bit attention, then it will all automatically come. Because Valmiki Ji, he is the Adi Kavi. He has composed it in very simple Sanskrit, and the OVs just flew out of it. So this we should not miss. And Ramayana we all know by heart. With just touch of Valmiki Ji's very simple Sanskrit, very easy. It's not like Bhagavad. So small homeworks at home we should do and come. Then the rush of doing this whole thing, because Ramayana we all know, we are doing something more than that. If we don't participate, then that goes. We should all have that same heart and commit efforts. शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तम्
शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तं
कौशिकङ्गाधिनः सुतम्
कौशिकं गाधिनः सुतं
तच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं तस्य
तच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं तस्य
राज्ञो वेश्म प्रदुद्रुवुः
राज्ञो वेश्म प्रदुद्रुवुः शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तं कौशिकं गाधिनः सुतं तच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं तस्य राज्ञो वेश्म प्रदुद्रुवुः
शीघ्रमाख्यातमां प्राप्तं कौशिकङ्गाधिनः सुतं तच्छ्रुत्वा वचनं तस्य राज्ञो वेश्म प्रदुद्रुवुः सम्भ्रान्तमनसः सर्वे
सम्भ्रान्तमनसः सर्वे
तेन वाक्येन चोदिताः
तेन वाक्येन चोदिताः
ते गत्वा राजभवनम्
ते गत्वा राजभवनम्
विश्वामित्रमृषिं तदा
विश्वामित्रं ऋषिं तदा
we will do प्राप्तमावेदयामासुः
प्राप्तमावेदयामासुः
नृपायेक्ष्वाकवे तदा
नृपायेक्ष्वाकवे
Masuhu. Su is gone. Nrupa. Masuhu we did, right?
Okay, okay.
Masu, Su is gone, Repa is gone. Nrupa yekshvakave tada.
प्राप्तमावेदयामासु नृपायेक्ष्वाकवे तदा
Teshan tadvachanam shrutva.
तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा
Mutara. Sapurodhas samahitaha.
सपुरोधा समाहितः
प्रत्युज्जगाम संहृष्टः
प्रत्युज्जगाम संहृष्टः
ब्रह्मणामिव वासवः
ब्रह्मणामिव वासवः
सदृष्ट्वा ज्वलितं दीप्त्या
सदृष्ट्वा जलितं दीप्त्या
तापसं संशितव्रतम्
तापसं संशितव्रतम्
41 onwards.
सम्भान्तमनसः सर्वे तेन वाक्येन चोदिताः ते गत्वा राजभवनं विश्वामित्रं ऋषिं तदा प्रातमावेदयामासुः नृपायेक्ष्वाकवे तदा तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा सपुरोधा समाहितः प्रत्युच्चगाम संहृष्टो ब्रह्माणमिव
संहृष्टः
प्रत्युज्जगाम संहृष्टः ब्रह्माणमिव वासवः सदृष्ट्वा ज्वलितं दीप्त्या तापसं संशितव्रतम्
सम्भ्रान्तमनसः सर्वे तेन वाक्येन चोदिताः ते गत्वा राजभवनं विश्वामित्र ऋषिं तदा प्राप्तमावेदयामासुः नृपायेक्ष्वाकवे तदा तेषां तद्वचनं श्रुत्वा सपुरोधाः समाहितः प्रत्युज्जगाम संहृष्टः ब्रह्माणमिव वासवः सदृष्ट्वा ज्वलितं दीप्त्या तापसं संशितव्रतं प्रहृष्टवदनो राजा
प्रहृष्टवदनो राजा
ततोऽर्घ्यमुपहारयत्
ततोऽर्घ्यमुपहारयत्
स राज्ञः प्रतिगुह्यार्घ्यम्
स राज्ञः प्रतिगृह्यार्घ्यम्
शास्त्रदृष्टेन कर्मणा.
शास्त्रदृष्टेन कर्मणा.
Can you lower your camera a little more so that I can see properly? Is it possible? Yeah, okay.
It is
Push, yeah,
not
good.
staying actually.
Okay, the Kushalancha Vyayanchaiva
कुशलं चैव
Paryapruchannaraadhipam
पर्यपृच्छन्नराधिपम्
Pure Koshe Janapade
पुरे कोशे जनपदे
Bandhaveshu Suhritsu cha
बान्धवेषु सुहृत्सु च
Kushalam Kaushiko Radnyaha
कुशलं कौशिको राज्ञः
पर्यपृच्छत्सु धार्मिकः
पर्यपृच्छत्सु धार्मिकः
अपि ते सन्नताः सर्वे
अपि ते सन्नताः सर्वे
सामन्तरिपवोजिताः
सामन्तरिपवोजिताः प्रहृष्टवदनो राजा ततोऽर्घ्यमुपहारयत् स राज्ञः प्रतिगृह्यार्घ्यः शास्त्रदृष्टेन कर्मणा कुशलं चाव्ययं चैव पर्यपृच्छन्नराधिपम् पुरे कोशे जनपदे बान्धवेषु सुहृत्सु च कुशलं कौशिको राज्ञः पर्यपृच्छत्सु धार्मिकः अपि ते सन्नताः सर्वे सामन्तरिपवोजिताः
प्रहृष्टवदनो राजा ततोऽर्घ्यमुपहारयत् स राज्ञः प्रतिगृह्यार्घ्यम् शास्त्रदृष्टेन कर्मणा कुशलं चाव्ययं चैव पर्यपृच्छन्नराधिपम् पुरे कोशे जनपदे बान्धवेषु सुहृत्सु च कुशलं कौशिको राज्ञः पर्यपृच्छत्सु धार्मिकः अपि ते सम्नताः सर्वे सामन्तरिपवोजिताः.
Inform the king about me, the sage Vishwamitra, belonging to the line of Kusa, the son of Gadi, having arrived at his door. Hearing the aforesaid utterance of the sage and spurred on by that command, all of them ran fast to the king's apartments with an awe-stricken mind. Reaching the royal apartments at once, they forthwith reported to King Dasharatha, belonging to the line of Ikshvaku, the news of the sage Vishwamitra having arrived at the portals. Overjoyed to hear the aforesaid statement of theirs, the king, full of devotion, went forth to receive him along with his family priest Vasishtha, even as Indra would go to meet Brahma. Seeing the hermit of austere woes and shining with effulgence, the king, with a most cheerful countenance, thereupon offered to him water to wash his hands with. Accepting the water for washing the hands with, and other attentions offered by the king with ceremony, as enjoined by the scriptures, he duly inquired of the king after his health and prosperity. The exceedingly pious sage Vishwamitra also duly inquired after the welfare of the king's capital, treasury, kingdom, relations, and friends. He then said, I hope all your vassals are fully submissive to you and your enemies subdued.
So though the time is up, we'll go a little faster. The intention is to complete the chapter. Somebody around 9:15, seeing how many verses are remaining, please post in the Gita chanting group. Maybe 5 minutes we might do it. We will try to finish in 15 minutes. So, Daivan cha manushan chaiva
दैवं च मानुषं चैव
karma te sadvanushtitam
कर्म ते साध्वनुष्ठितम्
वसिष्ठं च समागम्य
वसिष्ठं च समागम्य
कुशलं मुनिपुङ्गवः
कुशलं मुनिपुङ्गवः
ऋषींश्च तान् यथा न्यायम्
ऋषींश्च तान् यथा न्यायम्
महाभाग उवाचः
महाभाग उवाचः
ते सर्वे हृष्टमनसः
ते सर्वे हृष्टमनसः
तस्य राज्ञो निवेशनम्
तस्य राज्ञो निवेशनम्
विविशुः पूजितास्तेन
विविशुः पूजितास्तेन
निषेधुश्च यथार्हतः
निषेधुश्च यथार्हतः
अथ हृष्टमना राजा
अथ हृष्टमना राजा
विश्वामित्रं महामुनिम्
विश्वामित्रं महामुनिम् दैवं च मानुषं चैव कर्म ते साध्वनुष्ठितम् वसिष्ठं च समागम्य कुशलं मुनिपुङ्गवः ऋषीश्च तान् यथा न्यायं महाभाग उवाचः ते सर्वे हृष्टमान् मनसस्तस्य
ते
राज्ञो
सर्वे हृष्टमनसः
ते सर्वे हृष्टमनसः तस्य राज्ञो निवेशनम् विविशुः पूजितास्तेन विविशुः पूजितास्तेन निषेधुश्च यथार्हतः अथ हृष्टमना राजा विश्वामित्रं महामुनिम्
दैवं च मानुषं चैव कर्म ते साध्वनुष्ठितं वसिष्ठं च समागम्य कुशलं मुनिपुङ्गवः ऋषींश्च तान् यथा न्यायं महाभाग उवाचः ते सर्वे हृष्टमनसः तस्य राज्ञो निवेशनं विविशुः पूजितास्तेन निषेधुश्च यथार्हतः अथ हृष्टमना राजा विश्वामित्रं महामुनिम् उवाच परमोदारः
उवाच परमोदारः
हृष्टस्तमभिपूजयन्
पृष्ठस्तमभिपूजयन्
यथामृतस्य सम्प्राप्तिः
यथामृतस्य सम्प्राप्तिः
यथा वर्षमनूदके
यथा वर्षमनूदके
यथा सदृशदारेषु
यथा सदृशदारेषु
पुत्रजन्मा प्रजस्य वै
पुत्रजन्मा प्रजस्य वै
प्रनष्टस्य यथा लाभः
प्रणष्टस्य यथा लाभः
यथा हर्षो महोदयः
यथा हर्षो महोदयः
तथैवागमनं मन्ये
तथैवागमनं मन्ये
स्वागतं ते महामुने
स्वागतं ते महामुने
कञ्चते परमं कामम्
कञ्चते परमं कामम्
करोमि किमुहर्षितः
करोमि किमुहर्षितः उवाच परमोदारः दृष्टस्तमभिपूजयन् यथामृतस्य सम्प्राप्तिः यथा वर्षमनूदके यथा सदृशदारेषु पुत्रजन्मा प्रजस्य वै प्रणष्टस्य यथा लाभो यथा हर्षो महोदयः तथैवागमनं मन्ये स्वागतं ते महामुने कञ्चते परमं कामं करोमि किमुहर्षितः
उवाच परमोदारः हृष्टस्तमभिपूजयन् यथामृतस्य सम्प्राप्तिः यथा वर्षमनूदके यथा सदृशदारेषु पुत्रजन्मा प्रजस्य वै प्रनष्टस्य यथा लाभः यथा हर्षो महोदयः तथैवागमनं मन्ये स्वागतं ते महामुने कञ्चते परमं कामं करोमि किमुहर्षितः.
And are your duties like pouring oblations into the fire in relation to gods and human beings or newcomers duly discharged? Nay, meeting or embracing in the proper order of sequence Vashishta and those other seers, Vamadeva and so on, who were present there. He inquired about their welfare, so the tradition goes. Delighted in mind, they all then entered the court of the celebrated king Dasharatha, and received with attentions by him, took their seat according to their respective rank. Thrilled with joy, the highly magnanimous king then spoke with a delighted mind to the great sage Vishwamitra, glorifying him as follows. I consider your advent precisely as welcome as securing nectar in one's own hands, as rainfall in a waterless tract, as the actual birth of a son through a wife becoming oneself to one without a child, as the recovery of a treasure irretrievably lost, or joy proceeding from a festive occasion. O great sage, I wonder what supreme object of your desire I can delightfully accomplish and how.
Thank you, Raju. पात्रभूतोऽसि मे ब्रह्मन्
पात्रभूतोऽसि मे ब्रह्मन्
दिष्ट्या प्राप्तोऽसि मानद
दिष्ट्या प्राप्तोऽसि मानद
अद्य मे सफलं जन्म
अद्य मे सफलं जन्म
जीवितं च सुजीवितं
जीवितं च सुजीवितं पात्रभूतोऽसि मे ब्रह्म दिष्ट्या प्राप्तोऽसि मानद अद्य मे सफलं जन्म जीवितं च सुजीवितम्.
You are deserving of every service from me and have called at my place through my good luck. O bestower of honor, my birth stands fulfilled and my life is blessed today.
पात्रभूतोऽसि मे ब्रह्मन् दिष्ट्या प्राप्तोऽसि मानद अद्य मे सफलं जन्म जीवितं च सुजीवितं
यस्माद्विप्रेन्द्रमद्राक्षम्
सुप्रभाता निशा मम
सुप्रभाता निशा मम
पूर्वं
पूर्वं राजार्षिशब्देन
तपसा द्योतितप्रभः
तपसा द्योतितप्रभः
ब्रह्मर्षित्वमनुप्राप्तः
ब्रह्मर्षित्वमनुप्राप्तः
पूज्योऽसि बहुधा मया
पूज्योऽसि बहुधा मया
तदद्भुतमभूद्विप्र
तदद्भूतमभूत् विप्र
पवित्रं परमं मम
पवित्रं परमं मम यस्माद्विप्रेन्द्रमद्राक्षं सुप्रभाता निशा मम पूर्वं राजर्षिशब्देन तपसा द्योतितप्रभः ब्रह्मर्षित्वमनुप्राप्तः पूज्योऽसि बहुधा मया तदद्भूतमभूत् विप्र पवित्रं परमं मम.
My night has culminated in a propitious sunrise, in that I have seen the foremost of Brahmanas in you, formerly distinguished by the appellation Rajarshi, royal sage. You have since earned the status of a Brahmarshi, Brahmana sage, your splendor having been brightened by your asceticism. You are thus worthy of adoration to me in many ways. Your visit to me has been wonderful, in that it has proved to be highly purifying for me, O Brahmana sage.
यस्माद्विप्रेन्द्रमद्राक्षं सुप्रभाता निशा मम पूर्वं राजार्षिशब्देन तपसा द्योतितप्रभः ब्रह्मर्षित्वमनुप्राप्तः पूज्योऽसि बहुधा मया तदद्भुतमभूद्विप्र पवित्रं परमं मम शुभक्षेत्रगतश्चाहम्
शुभक्षेत्रगतश्चाहम्
तव सन्दर्शनात् प्रभो
तव सन्दर्शनात् प्रभो
ब्रूहि यत् प्रार्थितं तुभ्यम्
ब्रूहि यत् प्रार्थितं तुभ्यम्
नकार कार्यमागमनं प्रति
कार्यमागमनं प्रति
इच्छाम्यनुगृहीतोऽहम्
इच्छाम्यनुगृहीतोऽहम्
तमः प्राण त्वदर्थं परिवृद्धये
त्वदर्थं परिवृद्धये
कार्यस्य न विमर्शञ्च
कार्यस्य न विमर्शञ्च
गन्तुमर्हसि सुव्रतः गन्तुमर्हसि सुव्रत
गन्तुमर्हसि सुव्रत शुभक्षेत्रगतश्चाहं तव सन्दर्शनात् प्रभो ब्रूहि यत् प्रार्थितं तुभ्यं ब्रूहि यत् प्रार्थितं तुभ्यं कार्यमागमनं प्रति इच्छाम्यनुगृहीतोऽहं त्वदर्थं प्रतिवृद्धये कार्यस्य न
प्रति परि
sorry इच्छाम्यनुगृहीतोऽहं त्वदर्थं परिवृद्धये कार्यस्य न निमर्शञ्च गन्तुमर्हसि सुव्रत.
Nay, by virtue of your very sight, O Lord, I have visited all sacred places. Pray tell me what object is sought to be accomplished by you through your advent to my capital. Favored by you, I wish to promote your cause. You need not entertain any doubt about the success of your mission, O sage of noble vows.
Please post in Daily Gita, 10 minutes at least we will take. शुभक्षेत्रगतश्चाहं तव सन्दर्शनात् प्रभो ब्रूहि यत् प्रार्थितं तुभ्यं कार्यमागमनं प्रति इच्छाम्यनुगृहीतोऽहं त्वदर्थं परिवृद्धये कार्यस्य न विमर्शञ्च गन्तुमर्हसि सुव्रत कर्ता चाहमशेषेण दैवतं हि भवान् मम मम चायमनुप्राप्तः महानभ्युदयो द्विज तवागमनजः कृत्स्नः
तवागमनजः कृत्स्नः धर्मश्चानुत्तमो द्विज कर्ता चाहमशेषेण दैवतं हि भवान् मम चायमनुप्राप्तः महानभ्युदयो द्विज तवागमनजः कृत्स्नः धर्मश्चानुत्तमो द्विज.
I shall fully accomplish your object. For being an honored guest, you are a veritable God to me. This is an occasion for great rejoicing come to me, as well as to my family, O Brahmana sage, and the highest religious merit proceeding from your visit has fallen to my lot in its entirety, O Holy One.
कर्ता चाहमशेषेण दैवतं हि भवान् मम चायमनुप्राप्तः महानभ्युदयो द्विज तवागमनजः कृत्स्नः धर्मश्चानुत्तमो द्विज इति हृदयसुखं निशम्य वाक्यम् श्रुतिसुखमात्मवता विनीतमुक्तम् प्रथितगुणयशा गुणैर्विशिष्टः परमऋषिः परमजगामहर्षम्
परमऋषिः परमजगामहर्षम् इति हृदयसुखं निशम्य वाक्यं श्रुतिसुखमात्मवता विनीतमुक्तं प्रथितगुणयशा गुणैर्विशिष्टः परमऋषिः परमं जगामहर्षम्।
Om Tat
Sorry.
Sat
ॐ तत्सत्
Ityarche
इत्यार्षे
Srimad Ramayane
श्रीमद् रामायणे
Valmikiye
वाल्मीकीये
Adikavye
आदिकाव्ये
बालकाण्डे अष्टादश सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
बालकाण्डेष्टादश सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत् ॐ
You
तत्
can lead the meeting directly.
Sorry, read it.
Sorry.
The great sage Vishwamitra, whose renown occasioned by his excellences had spread far and wide, and who was distinguished by his virtues, experienced supreme delight on hearing the aforesaid prayer, which was not only pleasing to the heart, but also to the ears, addressed as it was in polite words by the high-souled monarch. Thus ends Canto 18 in the Balakanda of the glorious Ramayana of Valmiki, the work of a rishi and the oldest epic.
इति हृदयसुखं निशम्य वाक्यं श्रुतिसुखमात्मवता विनीतमुक्तं प्रथितगुणयशा गुणैर्विशिष्टः परमऋषिः परमं जगामहर्षम् ॐ तत्सत् इत्यार्षे श्रीमद् रामायणे वाल्मीकीये आदिकाव्ये बालकाण्डेष्टादश सर्गः हरि ओम् तत्सत् श्री सीतारामचन्द्रार्पणमस्तु. With his kripa, we have somehow completed even this as fast, borrowing some time from Daily Gita. But next week we'll directly go into the 19th Sarga. But it's nice that if you do small homework, read and come, not the 19th Sarga, the 18th Sarga. So the continuity of the story will remain in the mind. Where are we in that location? Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Sita Ramachandrarpanamastu. Hari Om. Hari Om everyone. Let us join the daily Gita. If you have any doubts, you can please message me privately or we can take it up in the next. Hari Om.
Thank
Hari
you.
Om
Thank
Ji.
you.
Thank you.
Hari Om, thank you.
Hari
Hari
Om.
Om.
Hari Om Shati. Hari Om Singh.